Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel S Kitchen. Today's recipe is vegetable lasagna. Let's see how to make yummy and cheesy veg lasagna. So first let's cook the lasagna noodles in a large pot of boiling water for about 10 to 12 minutes. I added 1 tablespoon of salt and olive oil in the boiling water. So after 10 to 12 minutes, once the lasagna sheets are done, just rinse with the cold water and drain it off. So next, in the large saucepan, we are making the tomato sauce. So for that, we need 2 big tomatoes puree along with the pasta sauce, tomato and basil sauce. So here we are sauteing the onion along with the chopped garlic together. Along with Italian seasoning, chili flakes and onion powder. Once it is done, add the tomato puree. I made the homemade tomato puree with 2 big tomatoes along with the pasta sauce. Here I am adding the 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, sugar and salt as needed. After adding 1 glass of water, stir the tomato puree and pasta sauce very well, bring it to boil and simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the pasta sauce is cooked very well and it's done. So next, let's stir fry the vegetables with the butter or olive oil. You can choose any vegetables of your own. Here, my choice of veggies are carrots, broccoli, peppers and mushrooms. You can also add spinach if you like it. So this combo of veggies tastes really good. So after adding salt and pepper to the vegetables, just saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. I am showing you the boiled lasagna sheets, sorted vegetables, tomato sauce along with the cheese mixture. So let's get started for the layering. So first I am spreading the tomato sauce in the bottom of the baking pan. Next, layer the lasagna sheets lengthwise. On top of it, add the sorted vegetables along with the tomato sauce. So here I am using the cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese for the layering. You can also use ricotta cheese if you like it. So again repeat the layering process for the second time. So before starting the layering process, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. We have to bake the lasagna for 30 to 40 minutes. Once all the layering is done, finally sprinkle with the mozzarella cheese, and here I am also using the parmesan cheese on the top. So finally I used all my sorted vegetables, tomato sauce and then cheese mixture. So here I preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Cover loosely with aluminium foil and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, here is the baking dish, and you can see the perfectly cooked, yummy and cheesy lasagna is done. So let it rest it for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Here is a plate of veg lasagna and it's time for tasting. Please give it a try for this recipe and leave your comments in a comment box. Thanks for watching this video.